Hey, makeup girlies, when's the last time you cleaned your brushes? I know it can be tedious, but girl, you don't want all that bacteria on your face. Go ahead and get you some Cinema Secrets so you can start getting some of that makeup off of those brushes. It works easily, it's non-toxic, and you only need a small amount. So I just worked that in there really well. It cuts down on the cleaning time or whatever, and yeah, it's my favorite technique to do. So I just do that with all of my brushes and then invest in some baby shampoo. I'm cheap, so I got the off-brand, but it works just the same. And that's just an old scrubber from a beauty blender cleanser. And you just need a little bit of water and a little bit of elbow grease, and bam, you're gonna have that makeup out of your brush in no time. Let me know if this technique works for you.